Quality control. Throughout the assembly process, the engines undergo rigorous quality checks to ensure that they meet Volvo's strict standards. Testing. Once the engine is fully assembled, it is tested on a dynamometer to ensure that it performs according to specifications. The entire engine assembly process can take several hours, depending on the complexity of the engine. But at the end of the line, a powerful and efficient Volvo engine is ready to be installed in a car. Precision check. Once fully assembled, the Xc40 undergoes a battery of tests. Cameras scan the paint for any imperfections, while machines check for proper alignment and functionality. It's like a car going through its final exams before graduation. Road ready. Having passed all the tests, the finished Xc40 rolls off the assembly line, a gleaming testament to human ingenuity and technological marvel. It's surreal to think that this machine, just a pile of metal a few hours ago, is now ready to hit the road. In 2018, the Volvo XC40 received a 5-star safety rating from Euro NCAP, scoring 97% for protecting adult occupants, 87% for protecting child occupants, 71% for protecting vulnerable road users, and 76% for safety assistance technologies. In 2022, Euro NCAP crash tested the C40 Recharge, also giving it a 5-star rating, with it scoring 92% for protecting adult occupants, 89% for protecting child occupants, 70% for protecting vulnerable road users, and 89% for safety assistance technologies. Welcome inside the heart of Volvo production, where they transform raw potential into refined driving experiences. Today, we'll witness the birth of a champion, the Volvo XC40. This compact SUV isn't just assembled. Lightweight vehicles exhibit better fuel efficiency and emissions performance. The correlation between the lightweight materials and the fuel efficiency is gradually realized by the vehicle users. To reduce the total weight of vehicles, high-strength steels, aluminum, magnesium, glass fiber composites, and carbon fiber reinforced polymer are used instead of low-carbon steel. Volvo Car Corporation preferred to use a variety of high-strength steels and aluminum in the XC40. It's orchestrated. Robotic arms with laser precision weld them together, forming the rear body of the car. Like a tailor fitting a suit, robotic arms precisely cut and shape these sheets into the XC40's bones. Welding stations then take over, stitching these pieces together with laser-like focus. The resulting unibody structure is the foundation of the XC40's renowned safety. The process starts with a primer, applied using an electrically charged method for a uniform, ultra-thin layer. This creates a superior foundation for both corrosion protection and optimal paint adhesion. Next, we enter the world of sophisticated coatings. Volvo is a leader in using waterborne paints, which are much more eco-friendly than traditional solvent-based ones. These paints require a special application process. Here's where things get interesting. The car enters a special booth where specialized robotic arms, equipped with the latest spray technology, take over. With incredible precision, they apply a primer coat, followed by the base color of your choice. Now, for those of you who love metallic finishes, they have a unique system that activates during this stage to achieve that stunning shimmer. But achieving that signature Volvo shine requires more than just color. After a drying stage, the car is prepped again for the clear coat application. This final layer adds a protective shell, giving the paint job its depth and long-lasting brilliance. Of course, throughout this entire process, rigorous quality checks are performed at every step. They use the latest technology, including advanced lighting systems, to ensure a flawless finish, free of dust particles or imperfections. Finally, after a final inspection, your Volvo emerges, sporting a beautiful, high-quality paint job that's not only stunning but also environmentally conscious. That's the Volvo difference. Volvo engine assembly factories are marvels of modern manufacturing. The entire process is a precisely choreographed ballet of humans and machines working together to create the powerful hearts of Volvo vehicles. Engine block preparation. The process begins with the engine block, which is essentially the core of the engine. The block is machined from raw aluminum using computer-controlled machines to ensure precise tolerances. Component assembly. Various engine components like pistons, crankshafts, and camshafts are meticulously assembled onto the engine block. The 2024 Volvo XC40 comes in two main engine options. P4. This is the base engine option, and it's a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that makes 163 horsepower and 265 pound-feet of torque. It comes with front-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission. P5. This is the more powerful engine option, and it's also a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, but it makes 247 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. It comes with all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission. Both engines are peppy and provide good acceleration for the XC40. The B5 engine is the better choice if you want the most power and performance, but the B4 engine is still plenty powerful for most drivers. Additionally, all XC40s are now mild hybrids, which means they have a 48-volt electrical system that can provide a small boost of power and help to improve fuel efficiency. Sub-assembly stations. The engine assembly line is typically broken down into multiple stations, each focusing on a specific sub-assembly. For example, one station might focus on assembling the valve train, while another might assemble the fuel injection system. Automated stations. Many of the tasks in a Volvo engine assembly factory are automated. Robots are used for tasks that are repetitive or require a high degree of precision. However, human workers are still essential for tasks that require dexterity or problem-solving skills. Assembly Avenue. This is where the excitement builds. The chassis, now with a beating heart of an engine, moves down a long line. At each station, skilled workers install various components: the intricate dashboard, the comfy seats, the complex wiring harness. It's a ballet of human and machine working in perfect sync.